Hi, I'm Michael DeBrule, a podiatrist with Midwest Podiatry Centers, here today to talk to you about what are custom foot orthotics. Custom foot orthotics are medical devices that we prescribe to fit inside your shoes. They change the way you walk, they provide cushioning, and at the same time, they support your arch and provide corrective guidance for your foot so that your foot functions better. We use custom foot orthotics all the time here at Midwest Podiatry to correct people who have pain in their feet for plantar fasciitis, heel pain, patients with high arches, patients with low arches, arthritis, tendonitis. There's a lot of uses for a custom foot orthotic. Custom foot orthotics work by changing the stresses and strains on your foot when you're walking. They reset the biomechanical balance of your foot so that you can function properly and so that you can walk without pain. Sometimes we compare them to prescription glasses. We make prescription glasses for your eyes so you can see better, and we make custom foot orthotics for your feet so that you can walk better, to walk correctly and walk pain-free. One of the exciting changes we've had here at Midwest Podiatry Centers is the HP Fit Station technology, which you see behind me here. It is a system where we do a digital scan of your foot. We look at pressure points of your feet when you're standing and also when you're walking. And then the custom foot orthotics are made using a 3D printer, which is really neat. It's state-of-the-art, and so far I've had really good results with my patients. I've got a sample here just to show you how it has a 3D printer goes through. It has these little dots, and we can make one part of the orthotic thicker and one part of the orthotic thinner and rebalance the foot. It just does a fabulous job. And that's one of the things that makes it fun for me to go to work every day. If you're having foot pain, difficulty walking, keep us in mind here at Midwest Podiatry. Think about a custom foot orthotic. Give us a call. We can help you out. Thank you.